Let's now see how to play that with the Bulerias Multitrack Loop Player software. Let's play the same alzapua rasqueo remate pattern. Now this flamenco groove. Let's see what is it made of. I can solo the individual channels. So hand claps, palmas, shaker, djembe, cajon snare and cajon dry. That's what makes this groove. So let's then groove on. Unique flamenco loop sets database is displayed on the 12/8 measure grid. The heavy beats are marked with yellow square, while the accented heavy beats are marked with the red. The weak beats are colorless or white. Of course, you can create your own groove and your own arrangement from each of the sample sets, but as learning goes, the essential information on any flamenco palo or type of the compás can be best seen through the sample of palmas or hand claps. Although the palmas do not play the very accents which are our starting point for understanding the compás, they carry the unique essential rhythmical information. I use the Multitrack Loop Player every day, so I compose, improvise or just enjoy playing around with this incredible software tool. Enjoy the sample library. With all the best wishes, let the good winds be with you on this voyage, and good luck.